Hello my YouTube viewers, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to the lecture. In this lecture I am going to show you how to create multiple videos in one skin. So let's get started. Look at in our media bin tab. Here we already added some file. There are 4 video file and 1 music file and 1 background video. Suppose we will add and play 4 videos in one skin. For that reason, first of all you have to add 4 videos in canvas like this. I am adding, just select and drag and drop it into timeline. At the time I will customize it as our wish like this. Alright, it's done. Now I will delete audio from the video like this. Click on the track, then select separate audio and video, then select audio, click again, delete. At present I will add second video in our timeline or canvas like this. Just select and drag and drop it into canvas. Now customize it like this. Moreover, delete audio file from this video like this. Yes, the audio file has been deleted. Next, I will add third video in our timeline or canvas like this. Again, customize it. Certainly it's done. At the end I will add the last video in our timeline or canvas like this. Just select and drag and drop it in here. Freshly customize it like this. Now I will delete audio from this video. Just follow the process. Look at in track 3. Here audio file is available. That's why I delete it. Okay, right now there are no audio file available on the all track. After adding all video in canvas, you can do adjust again. Look at I am doing adjust. Alright, after adjust I want to add some text. That's why I click annotation tab, then select this text style. Now I am writing something. Now I stretch it for adjustment like this. Now I stretch it the callouts from beginning to the end like this. Now play the video a little bit for checking. Right now, if you want to change background, you can do it very easily. For that, you click here, then select project setting, then select your color. Suppose I select pink, then apply. Now play again. And you can also use background video. Follow the process. Currently, I will create group. Just press Ctrl A, then simply click right button. Now choose group. Now go media tab. Now select background video. Now drag and drop it into canvas like this. Then select right button on canvas. Now select arrange. Finally choose send backward. Look at the background has been changed. Finally, I will add one more thing, that is audio. Now I am adding audio like this. Certainly our all requirement is done. Let's play the video a little bit for checking. I'm playing. It's awesome, right? Accordingly guys, I hope in this manner you can simply create multiple videos in one skin. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you next lecture, so stay connected.